Hi guys, I am Shaz. So today I will tell you how to install WordPress on your BlueHost hosting. So first you have to log in, as I have already logged in. So you will see this screen as I am seeing here. After that you have to just click on install WordPress. After clicking on, you have to just wait 5 to 10 seconds depending on your internet speed. Come on. It will take some time, don't worry. So finally we are on page. So here you will see this page and you have to just click on get started. Well, now it will ask for our domain name. As you have already purchased the domain, then you can select from here. Okay, here is written domain with www and domain without www. So it's your choice whichever you want to select. So I am going with www. After clicking on here, you just have to click on next step. You have to set your website title. You have to set here a username and password, and after setting this username and password you have to tick all these and click on next. So now it will start installing automatically. WordPress is installing, as you can see written here, and overall website progress is 50%. So you have to wait. Now as you can see, installation complete. Continue browsing or view your credentials. So you have to click here. Now your WordPress installation is complete. Now the next step is you need a professional theme that you want to apply on your website. So you can get from here, or if you have already available you can click on no thanks, I am web designer. So as you can see, your installation was successful, but get a WordPress theme. So if you have theme, you can install it as your own. So what do you need? After that, you have a domain name. After domain name, write wp-admin and you will be on your website login panel. Log in there and upload your theme.